Hello everyone, welcome to Best Products, where we review the best products for your home and kitchen. Today, we are going to take a look at the Goldilocks Cookware Set, a 4-piece set of stainless steel pans that will make your cooking easier and more enjoyable. The Goldilocks Cookware Set consists of a 1.5-quart saucepan, a 3-quart saucepan, a 10-inch skillet, and an 8-quart stockpot. It also comes with 3 lids that fit all 4 pans. The pans are made of tri-ply stainless steel construction throughout the base and sides, which means they have an aluminum core sandwiched between 2 layers of stainless steel. This gives them excellent heat distribution, retention, and durability. The pans are also oven-safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, induction-ready, and dishwasher safe. They have riveted steel handles that stay cool on the stovetop and have holes for easy hanging. The handles also have a fork design that reduces heat transfer and provides a comfortable grip. The pans have rolled edges for drip-free pouring and domed lids that direct condensation back into the pan. The Goldilocks Cookware Set is perfect for any cooking task, from boiling pasta to frying eggs to making sauces and soups. The pans are non-reactive to acidic ingredients, so you can cook with lemon juice, vinegar, wine, and tomatoes without worrying about damaging the surface. The pans also have no coatings that can peel off or release harmful chemicals into your food. If you are looking for a high-quality cookware set that will last you for years and make your cooking more enjoyable, I highly recommend the Goldilocks Cookware Set. You can find it on their website. Link in the description. Thank you for watching Best Products, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.